Hello guys, hope you all are doing good. So guys, today we are going to talk about 2023 Lotus Emira. Guys, the 2023 Lotus Emira is the latest model from the legendary British sport car maker and the last to use an internal combustion engine. That's right, Lotus is preparing for an all-electric future as previewed by Hypercar, but before pitting it's the gasoline fuel traditions the company will treat to one final gas-burning model as the successor to the Evora GT, which is currently the only Lotus sold in the US. The Emira is more practical, has a far nicer interior, and offers active safety equipment for the first time, while the entry-level Emira will have a standard turbo 4 with 360 horsepower. Guys, Lotus offers a supercharged V6 with 400 ponies and available manual gearbox. That means the Emira competes with Porsche 718 Cayman and the certain 911 variants. Guys, featuring an exotic exterior inspired by the carbon fiber incentive Avigent using a bonded aluminum architecture inherited from the Evora GT. The Emira will bridge Lotus gasoline past with its electric future. Guys, the Emira will initially be sold as a fully loaded first edition model equipped with the supercharged V6. However, the lineup will eventually add a more affordable base model with a standard turbo 4 and optional add-ons. The model line could expand further down the road to include even more trim level, but that's yet to be confirmed. If we were to spec our own Emira first edition, we had of course elect the 6-speed manual over the automatic along with the sport chassis configuration. Beautiful dark red and green finish over black Elantra, black wheel and silver brake calipers. As we had been inclined to option for the $1,400 black pack too, but only if we were somehow able to keep the green painted roof instead of the gloss pack roof treatment that's included in the package. Guys, mounted in the middle of the Emira will be two engines, a turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder as a supercharged 3.5-liter V6. The four-banger is sourced from Mercedes AMG and makes 360 horsepower. It feeds the rear wheel through a dual-clutch automatic transmission, the only gearbox choice. The V6 is a Toyota-sourced unit that carried over from the outgoing Evora GT. It pairs with either a torque converter automatic or a manual transmission. With the stick shift, Lotus says the 3.5-liter produces 400 horses and 317 pound-feet of torque. Unlike most other modern supercars, the Emira will forego electric power steering for a hydraulically assisted setup that provides relief, feel and feedback. During our initial test drive, we praised the Emira balance handling and brilliant steering, and we marvel at its driver involvement. Well, when we get a chance to test the Emira at our test track, we will update the story with results and more driving impressions. Guys, the IPA has not released estimate for the Emira fuel economy, and we have not had a chance to test ourselves on our 75-mile highway fuel economy road. When we do, we will update the story with results. Guys, for more information about the Emira's fuel economy, visit the IPA's website. Guys, with the simple design and seating for two, the Emira's interior is both minimalist and intimate. The driver faces a squad of steering wheel and a 12.3-inch Tito gauge cluster. The material quality looks upscale for better than in previous Lotus model, and we are glad to see physical switchgear for the climate control. Likewise, the automaker also attempts to make its latest sport car easier to get in or out by making the door sills narrowed and the door opening larger than they were in the Evora GT. Other practical improvements include a pair of cup holders in the center console and storage bin in the doors that can each accommodate a half-liter bottle. There are also 7 cubic feet of cargo space behind the seat and another 5 cubes in the storage bay behind the engine. Guys, the Emira's infotainment system will run throughout a 12.2-inch touchscreen mounted in the middle of the dashboard. Apart from control on the steering wheel and the like-hold of voice command, there are no physical control to adjust the stereo's volume or tuning, along with 12-volt and USB charging ports. The sport car will feature standard Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone functionality. Gas braking with Lotus tradition. The Emira will be offered with a host of optional driver assistance technology. Guys, for more information about the Emira's characteristics results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety website. Key features include available automated emergency braking, available lane departure warning, available adaptive cruise control. Guys, Lotus doesn't provide spectacular coverage compared with other expensive sports cars, while its limited warranty aligns with many competitors. Both its short powertrain plan and lack of complementary maintenance and disappointing. Gas limited warranty covered 3 years or 36,000 miles, powertrain warranty covered 3 years or 36,000 miles, no complimentary scheduled maintenance. So guys, that's all. Kindly subscribe our channel so you never missed any update. Thank you.